The overall goal of this procedure is to use a magnet-assisted composite manufacturing, or MACHEM technique, to significantly improve the quality of wet layup vacuum bag composite laminates by applying a high consolidation pressure during laminate fabrication.
The main advantage of this technique is that it is a low-cost, simple way to manufacture composite laminates, and it can be used to fabricate large, geometrically complex parts with relative ease.
This method is broadly applicable not only in wet layup vacuum bag processes, but also in other composite manufacturing techniques such as out-of-autoclave pre-preg curing and vacuum-assisted resin transfer molding.
Layup preparation and magnet arrangement and placement are difficult to learn without visual demonstration. We believe this presentation will help other researchers implement MACHEM to make a high-performance composite laminates.
To begin the procedure, carefully place 25 1" by 1" by ½ N52 neodymium iron boron permanent magnets in a 5x5 square configuration in alternating polarity on a 12" by 6" by 3/16" magnetic steel plate. Use a rotary fabric cutter to cut 6 plies of 8" by 6" of plain weave glass fiber. Then stir together 40 grams of epoxy resin and 10.96 grams of resin hardener at 350 rpm until fully mixed. Degas the resin for 15 minutes to remove trapped air introduced during the mixing process. Then, place a 0.3 mm thick 8" by 6" aluminum caul plate pre-coated with PTFE release agent in the center of it.